Good evening, second class children. So, today let's start the textbook reading practice. Okay. So, teacher is going to teach you the how to read the lesson. Okay. What is the name of the lesson? Keeping safe. Lesson number 8. Lesson name is Keeping Safe. Okay. So, be ready, children. Now, listen here. What is this picture? Traffic signal light. Okay. So, red indicates to stop. Yellow color it indicates the be alert, and green light indicates go. Okay. So, use a footpath while walking on the road. Okay. The next one, look at the picture. What is this picture? Zebra crossing. What is this? Zebra crossing. Use the zebra crossing to cross the road. Okay. Always you should use the zebra crossing while crossing the road, children. Okay. And you should not play on the road. Never play on the road. Do not play on the road. Isn't it? Why they are saying do not play on the road? Because why do you tell me? Because you can meet with an accident. Okay, now listen here. Yesterday was a bad day for me. Yesterday was a bad day for me. I had an accident on the road. Why he met with an accident? A boy, because he was very what? I was not careful, he was saying. What he was saying, I was not careful. Okay. So the next one, let me start. It is always better to be safe than to be sorry. Always better be safe. After you met with an accident, then you should never say sorry by yourself. Okay. Or saying sorry to others. It is always better to be safe than to be sorry. We should always keep certain safety tips in mind to avoid getting hurt. Isn't it? So if you want, you should have what? If you don't want to get any hurt. Okay. So what you should have to do? You have to must always keep some safety tips. Now let me start. Now people who walk on the sidewalks or on the pavements, means footpath, are called pedestrians. Who are they? They are called pedestrians. Okay. So we should always keep certain safety tips. What are they? One is traffic signal light. Use a footpath while walking on the road. Then use the zebra crossing and do not play on the road. So these are the safety tips. Okay. Now next one. Teacher had turned the page. Now the page number is again. Now we are getting to the page number is 60. Okay. Now carefully. Now look at here all of you. Carefully study the given picture. Read the statements that follow. And in the boxes write R if the action is right and W is wrong. Okay. So what is this picture view? Look at the picture view. What is this here? Yes, here you can see this traffic signal light, how the people are crossing the road. Here the vehicles are started moving because by with the help what they have seen the signals. With the help of the signals they are following they are just moving the vehicles. Okay. Now listen here. First one. Crossing the road when the traffic lights turns green. What is that? We are crossing the road when the traffic light turns green. Okay. Now next one. Leaning out of a moving vehicle. Leaning out of a moving vehicle. Next one. Sticking your hand out of the window. So what is the first one? Crossing the road when the traffic light turns green. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong, children? If the light turns green, you will cross the road. No. Then use there you put the wrong and you put the W. Okay. What you should do? Should write the W. What is that? W stands for wrong. Okay, next one, leaning out of a moving vehicle. Will you lean out? It means ఇట్లా మీరు బండి బయలుదేరింది, స్టార్ట్ అయింది, అయితే అప్పుడు will you peep from the window? No, you should not do it. Okay, that is also wrong. Place W. Next one, sticking your hand out of the window. Sticking your hand out of the window. What is that? Will you just show your, will you wave the hand out of the window? No, that is also wrong. Okay, now crossing the road at the zebra crossing. Yes, that is right. Then you write R. Okay, the next one, walking across an intersection. No, that is also wrong. Okay, the next one, stopping a vehicle way beyond the zebra crossing. Stopping a vehicle way beyond the zebra crossing. What is that? What is that? Yes, is it right or wrong? That is wrong. Okay, stopping a vehicle way beyond the zebra crossing. Next one, walking on the road. Wrong. Then walking on the footpath. Right. Running across a busy road. Wrong. Cycling in the opposite direction on a one-way road. Wrong. Climbing over barriers and fences is wrong. Okay, the next one, playing and relaxing in a park meant for the purpose. Yes, right. Okay, so this is the way you should have to complete the textbook exercise. Okay, the next one, look at the picture here, view. Do not touch the electric plug or the switches, as you may get a shock with the wet hands. Now listen here, children. Do not touch the electric plug or the switches, as you may get a shock with wet hands. Look at here. This child is touching his, using the plugs. He was touching with his wet hands. Okay. Here this is the iron box. He had placed the wire to the plug point and he was using his wet hand. తడి చేయి పెట్టుకొని ప్లగ్ పాయింట్ని ముట్టుకోవడానికి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాడు. అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఈ అబ్బాయికి ఏమవుతుంది? షాక్ కొడుతుంది. ఓకే, సో హీ మే గెట్ షాక్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్, నెవర్ యూజ్ యువర్ వెట్ హ్యాండ్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, లుక్ అట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ పిక్చర్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? Do not play with the sharp objects such as knives, scissors and blades, as you may hurt yourself. As you may hurt yourself. Okay. The next one is, do not play with sharp objects. This child has brought in his hands knife. Okay, so you never use any knives, scissor and blades, as you may hurt yourself. Next one, wait for your turn on the swing. Here look at the children, how they are standing in the line. One by one they were swinging here, isn't it? So you never push, or you should not be hurry while your friend was playing in the park. When your friends are playing in the one, they were swinging, and you should not go and push them. Okay, it's a very bad habit. Let's stay there for your turn, but never go and push her or push him. Okay, so you should have to wait for your turn on the swing. Next one, now look at the children, what they are doing. They are swimming in the water, isn't it? Who is your dad along with his son? Always swim in the pool with an adult by your side. Adult, what is the meaning of adult? Yes, you take along whenever if you want to go for swimming. Don't go alone, children. మీరు స్విమ్మింగ్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే మీరు ఒకతే వెళ్ళిపోయి నీళ్ళలో స్విమ్మింగ్ చేయొద్దు. అయితే మీ పెద్దవాళ్ళు, అడల్ట్స్ అంటే పెద్దవాళ్ళు, ఎవరినా కానీ, డాడీ కానీ, మమ్మీ కానీ, అన్నయ్య కానీ, ఎవరినా ఒకరు మీ తోడు ఉండాలి స్విమ్మింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు. నెవర్ గో alone in the swimming, children. Okay, the next one is immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor is called first aid. Now, if child gets any injured, so what happens? You should have to take him before take him to the doctor. You can give a small treatment, like you can do any first aid. Okay, immediately help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor is called first aid. The next one, do not push each other while climbing the ladders or monkey bars. Okay, so have you seen it? I think this view you can see in the park, isn't it? So look at the children, how they were enjoying. So well, if you want to climb on this monkey bars, on the ladders, never push to each other. Take your, if until your turn comes, you should not move, you should not push or pull him down. Okay, so let him complete his turn, then you can climb in this bars. Okay, this is the way. So what happens if you push or pull him? They met with an accident, they may get hurt. Okay, now listen here, take a small diary and with the help of your elders write the phone numbers of the following. Whose phone numbers you should write? You should written. It should be written your parents, your neighbors, the nearest fire station, the plumber, your best friend phone number, your relative's phone number, the nearest police station number, the nearest hospital number, the electrician, your school. Why they were asking you to take down all this all this contact numbers in your diaries? Can you suggest me to children? Can you tell me why this people are saying to collect all this contact number, whatever the name they had mentioned here? Because it is all one for what? Safety purpose. It is all for safety purpose. Okay. Again tomorrow I'll continue the class, children. Still here up to activity 1 I had completed. The rest of the points lesson we will continue tomorrow. Okay. So I don't want to be hurry burry and I don't want to make you to complete the lesson in one day. So tomorrow we will start the rest of the lesson. So today let me complete this still up to the this activity program. Okay, just this is taking out the, you are not going to paste or draw, just you are taking the contacts number of your near and your friends. Okay, thank you children and be safe all.